What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Njord 2 by Bomaker, and this one has Dolby digital audio. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come, up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Basically, if you're looking for a Dolby digital soundbar for your home, great for projectors and also televisions, you can put that with this. And pretty much this has a 2.1 soundbar system with 240 watts of power. So let's go ahead and show you if it's any good or not. Here we go. Comes with the remote, some mounting screws right there, power adapter for the bar, and some AV digital audio if you can use it for your phone, I guess, or something like that. Let me know in the comments below if you still use audios like this. And also a digital audio cable. Pretty cool. It also has a user manual right here. So as you can see, it comes with a subwoofer. So on the side, it has some controls here like Bluetooth turning on, and also plus and minus there for volumes, and also pause and play. Quality design here as well. As you can see, it has the Dolby audio printed on the side of the soundbar. On the back, it's pretty limited on the HDMI there. Just one HDMI, one optical audio USB, and also the aux in. And then you can plug in the power adapter here. At the front as well, it has some LED indicator of what volume you're in and also what mode you are in, if you're in Bluetooth or in ARC mode, or like the HDMI, or maybe you're in optical mode. You can use this as well as a Bluetooth speaker. We're just gonna pair right now with our phone. We're just gonna go to settings on our iPhone here and look for Njord 2. Now that it's connected, let's go ahead and test some music from the Apple Music here, or maybe the YouTube as well. Without further ado, let's go ahead and look at what I like and what I hate about the new iMac. Here we go. As you all probably know, the spring event from Apple, the first event of 2021 came out, and I think this is one of the best events that Apple had held. It's actually really good when you're watching movies and right now I have the optical cable here connected to our projector.
Where cinematic audio has been.
that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new subwoofer and also a soundbar system. Again, this has a Dolby digital audio, which is really nice to have on a budget friendly subwoofer. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I would recommend this for people who likes to upgrade their soundbar, also want that Dolby digital audio on their home. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Share this to your friends. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.